Good morning, Scouts. Welcome back to Scouts Weekly. I'm Kim.
Hello, students and teachers. I'm Bree, and we have some announcements for today.
First, Scouts, there's a new club on campus. Friday Night Live Club is offering students opportunities to enchant our school environment and communities by bringing awareness to alcohol, other drugs, gambling, and traffic safety. If you are looking to be a part of an amazing club, see Miss Pendroza in 3G to get more information.
Second, Season 2, Episode 8 of 60 Seconds is out now. London versus Dunkel. Remember to follow the page at 60seconds_show.
Third, homecoming here at Highland starts up next week. The football game will be happening on Friday night, so be ready to show some school spirit.
Now it's time for a break.
Welcome back, everyone.
Now we'll be going with our sports team.
Yo, what's going on, Scouts? It is time for sports. I'm Julian Medina.
And I'm Peter Paro. We have some interviews for you guys from the girls' tennis team.
Let's see what they have to say about the season so far.
Today I'm here with...
Aramik.
And what sport do you play?
Tennis.
How's your season going so far?
It does have its challenges, but I'm having a lot of fun.
Today I'm here with...
Gracie.
And you play?
Tennis.
How's your season going so far?
It is going really good. It is really fun.
Today I'm here with...
Angel.
And you play?
Tennis.
And how's your season going so far?
It's actually going really great, and I can't wait for what the rest of the season has in store for.
What's your best memory of the season so far?
Playing doubles with my best friend.
Why'd you choose to play tennis here at Highland?
Well, I was playing it last year, but I wasn't as committed, but my friend convinced me to be more committed this year.
Why'd you pick to play tennis here at Highland?
Last year, I used to go out to the courts and watch them play, and this year I was like, I want to give it a try, so I did.
Why should students play tennis here at Highland?
You can make new friends and build relationships with amazing people.
Because it's a very active sport, and it provides its own secular challenges that can help you grow as an athlete. It's a fun sport, and it's very active, so it gives you like a workout while having fun.
Why should teachers and students go watch tennis matches here at Highland?
Because they get very heated with challenges on lines, and you have an opportunity to see cheaters.
Football is back, but it's an away game.
They will be playing against Independence High School.
Remember to get your tickets on GoFan.
The homecoming game is happening next week on Friday night.
Be ready.
Hey, Scouts, do you want some new gear or some new swag?
Support the wrestling team by purchasing some shirts, polos, pants, and many more items. Follow this link and search what you're looking for by using the online store.
All the money goes towards the boys and girls wrestling team.
Teachers, we know you guys are getting paid soon, so spend that money. That's it for sports.
Let's get back to the studio.
Thanks for that information.
I think it's time for
Savannah on the go.
Savannah on the go.
Hi, my name is Savannah, and this is Savannah on the Go. Today we're going to be interviewing the school about the new pool that's getting inserted. Not the one on the gym, though. Let's go. I'm speaking with.
Silas.
All right, what do you think about the new pool?
I think it's pretty cool. I think a lot of the freshmen and sophomores are going to enjoy it a lot. I hope they have like swimming classes so they can teach kids to swim.
Like in PE and stuff?
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
That'd be pretty dope. Getting to have that full high school Disney moment where you're swimming for some reason.
Yeah, but there still is a pool on the roof of the gym.
Absolutely. Freshmen, you heard it here. There's a pool on the roof of the gym.
Check
it out. All right, thank you. Hi, who am I speaking with today?
I'm Caitlin.
Nice to meet you. And what is your opinion on the pool getting put in?
I'm excited for it, but it's not going to be built till like the end of senior year for me. So I'm like, what's the point?
What grade are you in?
I'm a sophomore.
Okay, yeah. So it's gonna take a little bit, yeah. But the freshmen will have fun with it, I guess. Sad. All right, thank you for your time. So, who am I speaking with today?
Isabella.
Nice to meet you. And what is your
birthday?
Happy birthday! Oh my god, what is your consensus on the pool getting put in?
I won't be here for it, but my brother will.
Oh yeah! Hi, who am I speaking with today?
Ryan.
Nice to meet you. And what is your opinion on the pool getting put in?
They didn't do it sooner, so like.
Not the one on the roof of the gym, right?
No, that one's been built for years, forever. But the one.
Yeah, the new one
being built. They said they were gonna do it last year, and it didn't start until later. So what's the point?
Real. You heard it here first. It should have been sooner. Hi, who am I speaking with today?
Rachel.
Nice to meet.
On the pool?
Yes, the pool that's getting put in.
Oh my gosh, that's such a great question because I'm on the swim team, but it's not gonna be built so I'm gone, so I'm kind of salty about it, but I'm happy that younger people can
We'll get to enjoy it.
Yeah, yes.
All right, thank you for your time. Who
Uh-huh.
am I speaking with today?
Marcus Gonzalez.
Nice to meet you. And what is your opinion on the pool getting put in this late?
I think it's great that we have a pool. I won't get to swim in it, but it'd be great that it's there.
Fantastic. Thank you for your time.
Thank you for that segment.
Students,
Teachers,
and staff members at Highland.
listen up. Do you know what plaid means?
If not, we'll break it down for you guys, so be ready.
For this show, we're going to start with the letter P.
Check out this video.
Here's some simple ways that you can show pride at Highland.
My girlfriend broke up with me yesterday. She said I wasn't enough for her. I'm sad. I should have done better.
What?
My girlfriend broke up with me.
Man, that sucks, man. You know?
She said I wasn't enough.
Man, you're more than enough.
Really?
Yes.
You're not supposed to be down there. You're supposed to be in class, man.
He's not making smart choices.
Remember, Scots, always show pride here at Highland.
This year's theme for homecoming is Blast from the Past.
Check out this video from our ASB team so you guys could know what to wear each day starting next Monday.
Hey Scots, I'm Ashira. Homecoming week is happening next week, and here are some important dates to remember to be ready. October 4th, we have our Club Rush Day. October 5th, we have our first food sale and picture makeup day. October 6th, we have our HOCO rally and our game. October 7th, we have our HOCO dance. That's it for me. Let's go back to the studio.
Here's a video from one of our counselors.
The one and only Miss Dunkel.
Hi Scots, here I am at the counselor's office. We're going to talk to Ms. Dunkel about some important things that she wants to tell us here at Highland.
Hello there, Ms. Dunkel. What information do you have for us today?
Seniors, it's application season. Start yours today. Get a jump start on financial aid by searching for scholarships now. All Scots, make sure to attend tutoring and or utilize tutor.com through Canvas. Winter sports starts now, so challenge yourself by becoming involved. Don't forget to check your Canvas and remember to plaid up.
Remember to follow our IG page at HHS_Video Pro to see behind the scenes videos, projects, and updates here around Highland. That's it for today.
And always remember to plaid up.